So guys, this is your graphic card AORUS GeForce RTX 5090 Extreme WaterForce 32G, and this is your graphic card. Okay, let's check configurations, specifications. Deep 3 DP port and was an HDMI port. So guys, graphic processor GeForce RTX 5090, clock speed 2655 megahertz, CUDA core 21,760, memory clock 28 GB per second, memory size 32 GB, and memory type GDDR7, memory bus 512 bit, bus card PCI E 5.0. This is slot actually, which is connect, and digital max resolutions, which is supporting 7680 4020, and card view, and recommended PC is 1000 watt, and power connections 16p, and you can see output display port 2.1, 3 port, and 1 HDMI 2.1. Okay, you can see 3 connect, 3 DP and 1 HDMI. Fan X 12 mm, and warranty registered 112 watt, and PCI 8 pin adapter. This is accessories.